Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. On this one, we're going to be doing pretty much just a time-lapse video on building this platform to create the mezzanine. So, got these yellow tongue boards from Bunnings. They actually had the cheapest deal out of everyone. And it's like a slot and groove thing, so these butt into each other. And it's going to make a deck up the top there. And at the end, we're going to sit up there and overlook the workshop. It's going to be sick. I made these stairs out of MDF sheets. It's really unsafe. It's really actually really bad, but it's just temporary so I can get the boards up there. And then I'm gonna have to buy some steps. Treads, they're actually really expensive, so if anyone knows like anyone selling some freaking treads, I don't know if that's gonna be a thing that anyone knows about, but let me know. Gotta sheet this toilet in, sheet this wall here, and yeah, we'll be good. So let's get right into it. Yeah, pretty keen. I've got the virus at the moment, so that's why my voice is a little bit strange. But other than that, I feel 100% I'm gonna get stuck into this and make the most of my time off work. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe if you're new here to the channel. There has been a few new people rock up lately, so welcome to all you guys. And yeah, let's finally get right into it. Alright, so I got the first row in and took a little bit of mucking around. Like I had to get this join to line up with one of the beams, cut out these sections and another join to line up as well, cut out little notches. But we've yeah, we've got the first section in. Just got to screw this down along this edge, and then I can just butt them all up to them into the yellow tongue. So hopefully it goes a bit smoothly, because that took a little bit of time. I also got to figure out something to go like in this gap here. There's quite a big gap there to there, so I need something to like help support this, because at the moment when you stand there you almost send it into freaking Narnia. But we'll figure that out when we get to it. Let's go into a little time lapse and get this going, eh? Get a floor going. Even though it looks like it's not going to take very long, it still takes a little bit of time, eh? Like getting the sheets up here is pretty difficult. It's definitely not safe at all. Yeah, would have been good to have the fork. Would have been good to have the scissor lift here still, but I sent it off to its home next door a little too early. But anyway, yeah. I forgot I have to cut that board and this board each time to make it mint. So yeah, we're almost halfway sort of thing, but I'm pretty much calling it a night. Gonna go back and knock this in tomorrow. I'm pretty sure you just get like a block of wood and a hammer and just bang it, and the tongue and groove will slot into each other. That should be really cool. But it's done. Feel pretty cool up here. Might put a lounge up here in the racing sim, like looking out that way. I don't know yet. Definitely many possibilities you could use this for. I just dropped the camera from up there all the way down here, hit the ground, didn't even damage it. Yeah, so lucky. and try and put you in a different spot where you don't fall down. So the floor is almost done. Got all the boards on. This last row here, I just got to knock it in with the big sledgy, and the yellow tongue just goes and it seals in there really good. Hey, like look how good these joins are. This yellow tongue shit's lit. And thanks to Jordan, he actually spotted on my Instagram story that the writing's meant to go like on the downside. There's slightly different surface on these boards, so if you ever do it yourself, make sure you put it actually does tell you, put this side face down and that side face up. It's to do with when you carpet it or put your top material on, the surface is better for when you come to do that, so it does matter a little bit. They're only slightly different, but yeah. So these two boards are around the wrong way, but I had already cut them, and yeah, I'm just gonna send it. This piece here was pretty cool. I did like this little custom cutout thingy bob, and then that slotted in around there, which was pretty freaking awesome. And yeah, we just cut around a few bits and pieces. Got to use my jigsaw and the little cut-off saw. I haven't used them in ages. I freaking love Makita tools, if you didn't know already. And yeah, the next piece is got to whack this board on top of the staircase here. It doesn't quite make it the whole way, so I have to suss out how I'm going to do this, but yeah, that's the next piece. And then I've also got to buy some longer screws because the ones I have aren't quite long enough. Countersink them all, screw it all in, and then yeah, that'll be it. But yeah, there's heaps of room up here. Like, I can't even reach the roof at all. If I stand here, yeah, I still can't touch the roof unless I go on my tippy toes, and I can. So yeah, heaps of headroom up here. You can definitely do all sorts of activities. And yeah, now I can just sit here and, oh, that's a pretty cool shot, eh? It's pretty bloody cool.
Hey Dad, I love you. Mwah, mwah. Is that what you wanted to say? Say, hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Is that what you're gonna say? What are you gonna say?